Guys, I'm really excited making this video today because I think I have found the solution to most problems that you and I face when it comes to the right resume to submit for any job opening. So if you're someone that struggles with getting that resume that you think you're confident in, that will be able to speak for you before you get a chance to speak for yourself, then make sure to watch this video today. And because I found a website where you can find people's resume, like resumes of people that have been hired in big companies like Amazon, Apple, and so many other companies there, that you can actually use as a reference to build your own resume. Now, in addition to this, you also find AI tool that will help you write this resume if you don't know how to figure it out. And of course, you can also find cover letter templates, resume templates, and also you can also find a way to figure out your career path on this website. So all you have to do is to make sure you're ready, and I'm going to walk you through everything on how to use this website so that you know how to get started. Additionally, I'm going to show you another website for people that are into core tech jobs, that you can find people's resume that have been hired in some other places, so you can be able to figure out the keywords that you expected of you to have on your resume, the layout and everything. In fact, this second website will not really give you the layout, but for the first one, you can find things like the layout, the formatting, the keywords, and everything generally when it comes to having that trending industry standard resume for you to be able to stand a chance to be invited for job interviews. So please make sure to stick to the end of this video. So to get started, you're going to come to Google and look for Kick Resume, and once you have seen Kick Resume, you're going to click on it, and this is what the website looks like. As you can see, they say your success story begins with your resume, and it's absolutely true, because your resume will stand the chance to speak for you first before you stand the chance to speak for yourself by being invited for an interview. So once you come here, you're going to scroll down where you can find resumes of people working in different companies that you can look at to reference while you start building your own. So as you can see, this person is hired by Volvo, this one is by Google, this one is by Amazon. So to see all examples, you click here where it says see all examples, and you're going to see examples of different resumes. And as you can see, if you look close, you can see that their formattings are different, the layouts are different, the way they are built are different. So you can see the company, this one is hired by Adidas, this one is by Adidas, and of course you can see other companies here that hired people that owns this resume. Now the good thing is you have up to like 113 pages that you can keep clicking on to check to find the one that is in your field of work, because this website hosts jobs from different fields of work and in different categories. So for example, if you want to search for anyone that you're interested in, all you have to do is just to come here, and you're going to see different industries that you can search for depending on what you're interested in. That is the best part about this. And then the profession, you click down here, you can see different professions that you can be falling under depending on the skill you have and what you are interested in. So once you have seen it, then you can check for the resumes to know the one that has something that you're looking for. Then once you have seen it, then you can use it to make a reference. So as you can see, these are other features like resume building, cover letter building, website building, career map, like I mentioned earlier. And you can also use this website to do resume checking. As you can see here, this is part of the features they have. You can check for your resume, AI resume writer, and AI cover letter, AI resignation letter generator as well. Those are some of the things that you're going to be seeing on this website. So if you're interested in also looking for cover letter samples, you can come here, and then you can see cover letters as well. Cover letters for people that are working in all these companies. As you can see here, there are different companies that people use these cover letters to get hired from. So if you're looking for cover letters as well, you can actually use this platform to look for cover letters that you can reference to write your own. Now, while using this platform, you have to be very careful to avoid plagiarism and to avoid lying on your CV, because your CV will speak for you, and if it speaks highly of you without you having those skills and you're invited for an interview, you may end up embarrassing yourself. So that is why you have to be honest. You just have to follow the layout, use the keywords, and reorganize everything. And of course, if you want to use AI, it also has AI tool that can help you out to build a good quality CV or cover letter depending on the one you are interested in. Now, another thing you need to know about this website is that they have different pricing on the website. Like if you come here, you're going to see that they have the yearly plan of $7 per month, and this one is 12 per month, this one is 19, and there is a free plan as well. And this free plan will allow you to have basic resume templates, 4 matching cover letter templates, 1 basic website template, and 2,000 pre-written phrases, 1,500 plus resume database. That's the examples, and unlimited downloads. So that is the greatest part about this, because of this free version that you can actually use to do some certain things to some certain extent. So you have that in mind. And if you're looking to have a career map for yourself, you can use this career map tool here that they already have here to know where you'll be in a couple of years and all you have to do to put your career on track. So you can do that on this part of this website. So if it's something you are interested in, you can use this tool here to map your career, so you can envision where you're going to be in the next couple of months or years in your career choice. So if it's something you're interested in, please check it out. The name of the website is Click Resume. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the comment section, so when you see, just comment "seen" so that I know you have seen it. Now, before I continue with the next website, please take a time and like this video, subscribe to our channel if you have seen value so far. We really appreciate you all for your support. Now, the next one I'm going to mention will not really give you features like the ones that you see in this first one that I mentioned, things like AI writers or templates and all those stuff. No, you're just going to see resumes of people. Now, the good thing about this one is that you can filter your search based on your years of experience, and another thing is it is more centered on tech related jobs or careers, so that is another thing you have to be careful about. And on this one, you can filter your career whether you have 1 year experience, 2 years experience, 3 years, 10 years, anyhow you're going to do it depending on where you are in your career path. So that's the good thing about this website. So to look for the website, let's go to Google and look for Hire IT People Resume. You can see this one that comes up here. You click on Resume Database. Now you're going to see database of different tech related jobs here. So assuming you are interested in web development, you can add like 5 years. If you have 5 years experience, and then you click on search. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you're going to see different web development resume and profiles of people. Full stack web development resume, UI developer resume, full stack web. So depending on the one you are interested in, you can click on it. Now, this is what this resume look like. And if you're interested, if you're trying to put your resume together, you're going to see the keywords. These are the technical skills that they're looking out for. You can use it to add to your own resume. And of course, you can check the order at which they wrote some of these skills, so that you know, because most times these recruiters, they just browse through this resume. So you must put the most important skill on top so they can easily see it ahead of the least important skills. So these are some of the things that you can work on your own resume. And of course, some of these tools like HTML, CSS, and all these tools, then you know the ones that is expected of you to have on your resume. So those are some of the things that you can do with this tool. And as you can see, this one is just plain. There is no format or anything. All you have to do is just to look out for the keywords and use them to write your own or build your own resume. So you have to also avoid copying this and pasting the way it is on your own, or plagiarizing people's work, because it is quite a very big offense. So you have to avoid copying and pasting exactly what people have written. You can just use it to reference and build your own. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking for typing jobs or remote work from home jobs that you might want to do, please do check out this video. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.